Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to reactivate Shopify store. So first of all, log into shopify.com and then log into your account. In your Shopify domain, what you got to do, in the Shopify admin, click on the settings at the bottom left and then to click on plan and then pick a plan to choose a subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your plan and payment details. Your Shopify store will be reactivated immediately. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.